Greetings, everyone. Today, we're diving deeper into the Discover feature on QuickAds.ai, where we'll run some analysis experiments, get inspired, and really see how efficient QuickAds can be. All right, let's jump right in. Head over to Discover, where you can search for the top-performing ads across industries or even look up specific brands. Let's start by searching for something in the sneaker industry. Look at this. There are so many ads here. QuickAds has an impressive 10 million ad library, covering both images and videos. Let's pick one and take a closer look. Once selected, we get a quick overview of the ad, and if you need more help, we've created a tutorial linked in the description. Here on the analysis panel, we have several sections: rating, description, storyboard, and strategy. Here you can check it. Analysis is in progress, so in a meanwhile, we can explore more ads. But what if you want to analyze multiple ads at once? With QuickAds, that's super easy. Check out this Power Analyze feature here, letting us review ads without going into each one individually. Let's analyze a few ads across both images and video. Now, on the top right, there's a drop-down menu. Selecting Analyzed Ads will show us all the ads we've put under analysis. Let's take a closer look at an image ad first. Selecting Rating gives us a detailed breakdown of each element, like you can check message clarity, visual appeal, call to action, brand alignment, engagement potential, innovation factor. Let's move forward with video ads. Likewise, image ads. We can analyze rating, option for transcription, perfect for ads with dialogue. To storyboard and strategy, we can view the ad structure and even check out the strategy or hook behind it. Now, for video ads, QuickAds goes a step further. QuickAds reveals which framework the brand used to design the ad. For instance, here we see the classic AIDA model in action. And if you're looking to refine your ads further, QuickAds offers a How to Improve section packed with insights. Finally, the storyboard section splits the ad into scenes, providing incredible detail that lets you break down each part of the ad visually. That wraps up our deep dive into the Discover feature.